into your facility
Yes,
at the DA's office?
correct.
Okay. What did you do with them after that?
We brought them to the evidence
I'm
processing.
going to ask you what you did, not what we did, what you did.
Sergeant Buchanan and I brought them to the evidence processing area, laid out butcher paper so the clothes could dry, put them on there in that area. And then I brought 2 cell phones to Trooper Garino so he could try to attempt to extract the phones.
What did you do with the clothing after it was dried out?
So the next day, Trooper DeChico arrived and brought them into the permanent evidence area where only him and another trooper in my office have access to. So they were secured from that at that point.
So you didn't book them into evidence?
I did not know.
Where's that physical log, sir?
Who? I'm not an evidence officer, so I don't know how that. Yeah, so I don't know how that's generated.
Right. So as the case officer, you have no idea.
Doesn't make any sense to me that somebody has counsel and the counsel is not aware of a potential issue. So you'll hear the offer of proof. I'll let you speak to Mr. Higgins before this actually happens before the jury.
Could I to use any public office for his own private gain or for the gain of persons or organizations with which you are associated personally? In other words, an FBI agent or an ATF agent cannot use federal resources for personal gain. The fact that he contacted an ATF agent, the fact that he utilized a facility that is owned by the federal government. Did you and Brian Higgins go down to the basement?
No, I don't remember going to the basement.
You don't remember going to the basement, or you didn't go to the basement?
No, I didn't go to the basement.
Did Brian Higgins go to the basement?
Not that I know of.
Well, you did say why she was barking,
I let her out to use the bathroom, so I think that's probably why.
except your testimony was it started barking because it realized there were people downstairs. Those are your words, Mr. Albert, not
Right.
mine.
Okay.
Do you stand by those?
Yes.
Okay.
When Brian Albert Sr. was walking Chloe through the first floor of that house, he maintained control of Chloe's collar. Did he not?
He did, yes.
So Chloe was rehomed in, I believe, May
Of 2022.
of 2022.